Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. Today's new word is waggish. The meaning of the word waggish is playfully humorous. It's an adjective. It's used to describe someone who loves to joke around in a clever or witty way. Think of someone who's always cracking jokes, not in a silly way, but in a smart, teasing manner. That's waggish. It's pronounced wa. Say it with me, waggish. Here are few examples of the word waggish. A. His waggish remarks kept the entire room laughing during the meeting. B. With a waggish grin, she pulled a harmless prank on her brother. C. The teacher's waggish comments kept the students engaged during the long lecture. D. Her waggish sense of humor made even serious meetings a little more enjoyable. A. The comedian's waggish style was both clever and charming, never crude. F. Their grandfather was a waggish old man, always ready with a playful tease. G. She had a waggish sparkle in her eyes, you could tell she was planning a prank. H. Though he was a serious scholar, he often broke into waggish remarks that caught everyone off guard. You will find these examples in the description box below. Synonyms of the word waggish are playful, mischievous, jocular, whimsical, jestful, humorous, teasing. Antonyms of the word are serious, stern, grave, gloomy, morose. Now, fun fact. Waggish comes from the word wag, which was once used to describe a witty or jokester-type person in the 16th century. Now, there is practice exercise given in the description box below. Pause the video, fill it up and comment your answer in the comment box below. There is also a quick quiz question you will find below to know whether you understood today's word properly. Comment your answer in the comment box below. That's it for this video and this word. If you are new to this channel, then remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for instant notification of a new video.